What's up guys? So today we have something super cool for everyone. The North Spore, a company out of Maine, was so awesome in sending us this grow your own mushroom kit, and all the mushrooms just grow right out of the box. And I've been obsessed with watching mushroom growing time lapses on YouTube lately. So we want to make one with this kit, and check this out. We have a little time lapse zone all set up here. And yeah, first things first, we're gonna get our kit going, and then we'll meet it over in the time-lapse zone. All right, let's do this. All right, first things first, starting your kit. Open the box along the perforated line on the front of your kit. Use a sharp knife and slice a large X into the plastic bag. Spray using the sprayer, including your kit. Give the X you just sliced a few pumps. Mist it at least twice a day. Harvest the mushrooms once they are grown, and boom. What's up guys? So 7 days later and the mushrooms are finally ready to harvest. Let's take all this off and let's cut them off and put them in the freezer. Yeah, let's put them in the freezer. I think we have to let them dry out for a while, and yeah, let's do this. Just get a look at the size of these babies. Woo! They're massive. Alright guys, I'm guessing we just cut it right here, just right along the box. Oh, they feel so cool. Dang. Look at that yield. That's huge. Holy moly. Very cool. Thanks North Spore for sending us this kit.